Hey, it's your old pal, Dr. Steve. Imagine hearing a piano chord and instantly seeing a bright flash of neon purple, or biting into a strawberry and tasting the number 7. Sounds like a sci-fi superpower, but for millions of people, this is just everyday reality. It's a real neurological phenomenon called synesthesia. Normally, your brain keeps its sensory processing pathways neatly separated. The visual cortex handles sight, the auditory cortex handles sound, and the gustatory cortex handles taste. But in the brain of a synesthete, those pathways have a few extra cross connections. When one sense gets activated, it involuntarily triggers a response in an entirely different sense at the exact same time. There are over 80 different forms of it. Some people have grapheme-color synesthesia, where every letter or number has a fixed, specific color. Others have lexical-gustatory synesthesia, where spoken words trigger actual physical tastes on the tongue. So why does it happen? Brain imaging shows that synesthetes have extra functional connections linking adjacent sensory regions. Interestingly, we're all born with hyperconnected brains, but as infants, our brains undergo a process called neural pruning to trim away the extra wiring. In synesthetes, some of those original wires simply stay connected. It isn't a disorder or an illness, it's just a structural variation in perception and a fascinating reminder that what we call reality is really just how our brain chooses to translate the incoming signals. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe and follow at Weird Medicine for more medical news and facts.